friends, it's Renee here with the DIY Day, and today I'm going to share with you how I make my shaker cards. I'm not using any expensive tools to make my shaker card. All I'm using is what you see here, which I'll go over next. You'll need a pair of scissors, a pen, a ruler, double stick tape, and if you don't have double stick tape, you can always use Scotch tape or washi tape. You'll also need glitter and sequins. And if you don't have glitter or sequins, you can always use a hole punch and make confetti. And last but not least, you'll need a sheet protector. This one's a 8.5 by 11. There's two different types of shaker cards that I like to make. There's this version where it's just a shaker card. And then there's this shaker card where the shaker card is behind cardstock or decorative scrapbook paper. If you're doing this version, straight lines aren't as critical only because a shaker card is going to be behind something, so it's going to be hidden. But if you're doing this version, a paper trimmer might be more handy just so you can get those straight edges. Let's get to it. If you're creating a square or rectangle shaker card, the best advice I can give you is to utilize the bottom corners of your sheet protector. That would be this portion and this portion. And let me tell you why. It'll prevent you from having to seal two extra sides of your shaker card. Let me show you what I mean. I'll be making a rectangular shaped shaker card, which is going to go behind some scrapbook paper or cardstock. So the measurements for mine aren't really all that critical. So I'm going to just use my scissors. Let me put a piece of paper behind my sheet protector just so you can see it a little bit better. There we go. I'm going to cut my sheet protector to the approximate dimensions that I'm going to use for my card. Again, you can use a paper trimmer for this if you want straighter cuts. This is the size my shaker card is going to be. Again, the cut marks won't even be seen because it's going behind scrapbook paper. Next, I'm going to seal the shaker card. And with this card, I'll show you how I do it with double stick tape as well as with washi tape. I'm going to take my double stick tape and I'm going to seal this portion, the shorter portion of the shaker card. Like so. And then for this portion, I'm going to use the washi tape. Just going to grab a strip, make it a tad bit longer than the actual shaker card. And then put it down on that open edge. And before I seal it, I'm going to grab my sequins and my glitter. And I'm going to pour those into the shaker card. More or less, it's really up to you. So this is what it looks like. I think that's all I'm going to put in there, so I'm just going to seal the shaker card up and just fold over the washi tape. And then I'm going to cut off the edges. Just to recap, if you're going to do a shaker card in this version, I highly suggest using double stick tape. But if you're planning on making a card like this, I would suggest using washi tape. It's much easier than sealing it with double stick tape. Do you want to see what I'm creating with this shaker card? Thank you so much for following along on my shaker card tutorial. If you like what you saw, please like and subscribe below. And for more creative ideas, please check out my blog. The link is in the description. Thank you.